This is a trolling motor stabilizer. All right, so in the box we get this guy here, and it's kind of three independent pieces. You have 1-inch mount balls with a clamp on one end, and on the other end it has this base mounting plate. And they do include here some screws and some anchors for mounting this guy. And it kind of has a weirdish hole pattern where they have, 3 holes, kind of 120 degrees, and then they have a 4-hole and a square type pattern. So it may match up with an existing hole pattern depending on what you're replacing, or you could just pick whichever holes you want to use if you're putting it on a new setup. And so this guy here, unscrews, and you can put your trolling motor in that and then clamp it in place to keep it from moving around. And then you have this little guy here that grabs both of these 1-inch balls, and you can use that to position the clamp exactly where you want it and move these guys around. And when you're happy with the positioning, then you just tighten this guy up. Right, so most of these black pieces are some type of a composite plastic type material. It feels like a very heavy duty plastic, so it might have fiber reinforcement or it might just be a super heavy plastic. And then we have some various pieces of metal in here. So I've seen this guy on Prime Day as low as $24. MSRP typically is around $35 on it. So my magnet is very lightly attracted to some of the metal here, but not really clicking into it. So I believe them when they say that all of these metal pieces are stainless steel. So it looks like it's going to be pretty safe from corrosion.